This is the way we wash our intake, wash our intake, wash our intake. This is the way we wash our intake so early in the morning. Well, hey there, folks. How you doing? Guess what we're doing? You guessed it. We're washing our intake. Or, I wouldn't say washing it, more or less cleaning it up, preparing it to be installed. Oh well. Oh well. I thought I was going to have it ready by the beginning of the summer, but a few things happened. A lot of personal stuff. Health issues. That's personal. So, I'm okay now. Oh, we're back here again. Seem to have plenty of time on my hands to do this. Oh well. Oh well. Okay, folks. Just letting you catch up on what I'm doing. And when we get ready to install this, we'll update it again. It's as clean as it's gonna get. There you go. Yeah, that should last me another 130,000 miles.